with the exception of the newest vehicle designs that use electric power steering. Most power-assisted steering systems use a hydraulic pump and valves. The pump is turned continuously when the engine is turning, generating high pressures in the power steering fluid. When the steering wheel is turned, a valve in the steering rack and pinion assembly directs the high-pressure fluid into one of the chambers inside the rack and pinion assembly. This pressurized fluid helps to push the steering rack in the direction the driver is turning. Over time, contaminants enter the power steering system and collect in the power steering fluid. These contaminants can cause wear on the rotary vane pumps. A screen is often found in the power steering reservoir to collect contaminants. If the amount of contaminants in the power steering fluid is excessive, the screen can become plugged and limit the flow of fluid to the hydraulic pump. When this occurs, the pump is not able to sufficiently pressurize the fluid, and steering assist will be limited. A leaking front seal is a common failure of the power steering pump. Many times leaks go undetected, and when fluid levels are low, damage may occur to the pump. Power steering fluids should be replaced periodically to ensure long life of the seals. Inside the power steering system,